GoHighLevel is one of the most talked about and all-in-one platform for entrepreneurs, agencies, and business owners. It promises to handle everything from marketing, automation to client management, but like any tool, it has some strength and the weakness. Today we are going to dig into the pros and the cons of GoHighLevel that nobody really talks about. So you can decide if it is the right fit for your business or not. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link in the description for the free trial and the special deals on GoHighLevel. And if you want to use the GoHighLevel for free trial, you will be able to use the GoHighLevel for 14 days from this official site, but after using the link in the description, you will get the extended 30 days free trial. So check the description link and get the extended trial. Now let's start with the pros first. First, GoHighLevel is truly an all-in-one platform. You don't need to buy the separate tools for email marketing or SMS campaign funnels or the CRMs. Everything is in one place, which saves both money and the time. For agencies or business owner managing multiple clients, having all these features combined a huge advantage. Another big plus is the automation. You can set up email sequence, SMS reminder, follow-ups, and even complex workflow without manually doing each task. That means leads get nurtured automatically, client get updates without you typing every message, and your business are running much smoother. The platform also gives you the full control over the pipeline and the client management. You can see where every lead is, track opportunities, and manage tasks efficiently. For anyone who is struggled with a messy spreadsheet or the scatter tool, then this alone can feel like a huge weight lifted off your shoulders. Now let's talk about the con side. First of all, GoHighLevel has a steep learning curve. There is a lot of packed into the platform and it can feel overwhelming if you are new to CRMs or marketing automation. And it's not something you can master in a single afternoon. And the next thing is the interface can feel a little complicated at time. While it's powerful, some section might feel confusing, and finding the certain feature can take a few clicks. This is especially true if you are just starting out and don't have the experience with marketing software. But finally, if I talk about the price, the pricing can be higher than some other tools, especially if you are a solo entrepreneur. The basic plan is affordable, but the full feature, unlimited sub account and white level are at a premium one, which is at $297 for the agency plan. It's worth it if you need those advanced features, but for beginners, it can feel like a lot. So in short, GoHighLevel is powerful, flexible, and designed to grow your business, but it requires time and the effort to learn. But if you are willing to invest in learning it and using its feature, then it can truly simplify your marketing and client management. But if you are just looking for something super simple, you might feel a little lost at first. So if you want to see how GoHighLevel works for yourself, check the link in the description for the extended 30 days free trial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.